Hey, what's going on, guys? Can you guys hear me? No one's doing a freaking Asian session. I thought I'd just jump on here for a second. I've been messing around with XRP a little bit today. I've had a couple buys on XRP, and so I've been fooling around with a little bit of crypto this afternoon. But it's definitely coming up to a major resistance level, right? So it's coming up to the all-time highs, which I think it's going to get there. Now, if you're looking to buy it, you just have to look for areas, pullbacks to buy somewhere down in here, maybe. Because I definitely wouldn't buy it because right now. But I might look to potentially buy it if it pops back down to that 99 level there. But I think we're bound to get to that. Bound to get to that level. If you guys can hear me, maybe you can't hear me. So I think we're definitely bound to get to that 113 level again. I just don't know if we have enough momentum to get there right now. So if we don't, then we'll push down a little bit and then make another leg up, most likely, on XRP. So anyone that does that, I really haven't messed with crypto that much. I've done a little bit of Bitcoin trading, but I haven't really messed with XRP, so I started messing with it a little bit. So I'd look for a pullback to that 99 area. Mess with it a little bit. A pullback to that 99 area to possibly go long again and retest the highs. And we may not get that opportunity, right? We may just go to the highs from here. So XRP is one that I'm kind of taking a look at. And then I'm in a US 30 buy, and I'm in a pound yen buy. I really did like the pound yen on the consolidation area we were in, so I did take a buy, and I'm up 8 pips on it right now or so. Stop losses are below the lows, and I think we are going to start making another leg up. So if we start making another leg up, that'll be good, and I think we can retest up to at least 152.65 level, maybe not all the way up to the very top, again at basically 154, but I think there's a pretty good chance we can at least get back to this area right here at 152.50, and that will be my target on this. We'll be in that area at 152.50 area. My stop loss is below the lows. I always want to protect it and keep it below some of the areas that's there and give it a little bit of time to breathe. So, but my goal on that is to get it back up to at least 152.50. So we'll see if we can get that done. See if we can get that done, and then the pound Aussie was kind of the other one. Well, we'll go over gold too, but the pound Aussie I'm kind of looking at too. Looking if we can't get another opportunity to buy pound Aussie. It's just kind of sitting there now, so I want to wait a little bit, but if I can get the pound Aussie, we're getting a good price to buy it, and it has gone down pretty significantly in a higher time frame uptrend again. So this is a pretty key level here, so we'll see if we drop below it, but so far it's really not doing anything. So I'll wait and see on that. And then on gold, it looks like we could potentially get some selling going on here on gold. It's definitely rejecting that area at 117.55, so we could potentially get some selling here on gold for a little bit. But gold always makes me a little bit nervous selling because I still think overall it's going to go back up again. But if this candle starts to stretch out a little bit and we get rejection off here, you could sell it, and then your stop loss obviously would have to be above these swing highs here at 158.80. Your stop, and then you have to consider also that there's a daily level at 165 or 164. Take out all these levels right here. So if you sell this, I would keep my stop losses either above the swing high from earlier today, or even above 117.65, which would be a daily resistance from a couple different levels from right here and right here. So if you're going to sell that, I would want my stops to be above that red line here at 17.64, which is a pretty deep stop, right? So we'll see what happens. But that's what I would want to do on gold, is if I sell it with the pattern, I'd want my stops above there, and then my targets would be down back down here at 1677. That's how I would play it. So anyway, thought I'd jump on here real quick and record a video live and just give some updates. I'm, like I said in my Instagram post, I'm considering just not YouTube streaming anymore, because again, I don't have anything to prove, and it's just, it's time consuming. I don't like to get locked down into a specific thing I have to do every single day. So I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to stop or not, but there's a good chance after tomorrow I'm just going to stop doing it, because it's just to me it's a lot more hassle most of the time than it's worth. But we'll see. I'll think about that this weekend. But what's up, Ace? So yeah. So we'll see. I'll think about it this weekend, but there's a good chance I'm just going to stop. I mean, I've taken a $300 account to $2,000 in a month. If that doesn't tell you something, then most likely you're beyond help anyway. So so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'm going to pop off. I just wanted to jump on here for a minute. But yeah, I mean, anytime you can take a $300 account to 2,000 I'd say that's pretty good. That's pretty good being able to take a $300 account to 2,000, but whatever. So anyway, all right. Well, I hope everything's going well, Ace, and we'll talk to you guys again soon.